Hello, so today I want to show you how to do ribbing. I have my 22 pin Addi Express and I'm doing 1x1 ribbing. So I'm making a sock. This is for the leg. So I want to show you how to do this ribbing. Okay, so this is the one that I'm going to be doing a ribbing. So I'm letting this one knit because this is going to be the purl, and I'm going to rib this one. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So it's just starting to come up. So I'm just going to do it, crank it until this comes up so you can see. You want to get this over here. So once you pick that off, I'm going to just go back a little bit so you can push that down. Oops. You don't want to go back too far because then you can mess up these stitches here. But you just want to go back far enough so you can get this loop off of this needle. Okay. And then you just want to pull it to unravel it all the way up. So I'm using a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook and then my loom pick. You can also use a latch hook, but I find when you get down to this part, like down here, it gets tight and it's just trickier to use. So I prefer using the crochet hook. So you just want to pull these stitches out. And so I want to stop. So I'm going up here. So I want it to stop before this because I have a hem up here. So that's where I want mine to stop. So I'm just going to stick my crochet hook in there. And up here it's getting a little harder to unravel. So I'll just go in sometimes and use my hook and just kind of pick it. Because you want these all unraveled. You want to start here. So I like just to hold this little loop and go into this next ladder and bring that through. And then hold this loop, go to the next one, bring it through. So you just want to do this all the way down. Oops. So now you want to make sure you got every stitch. So there we go. So then once you have this, you want to put this back on this needle here. Just stretch it. It's going to be a little tight. That's okay. And then you want this loop to go down around these little red teeth. So you want to make sure that this loop goes down around in front of these little red teeth. Okay, you want to make sure that stays there so it knits. So now, oh Charlie. So now you can crank a little more. So this is the next one that I'm going to be doing because I'm doing 1x1. So I'm letting this one knit, just the way it is, and then this is the next one that I'm going to be picking off. So you just want to watch this just as it comes up, and you want to make it so it's enough so you can grab the little loop, and then I back it up a little, just enough to get this loop over. So then that's off, and then you can just do the same thing. So let's do it one more time. So just want to unravel that. Okay. So you want to find where you're going to be stopping. So this is the line where I'm going. So I want to stop right here. So I'm just going to stick my crochet hook in there. There we go. So you want to make sure it's all looking like this and unraveled. And then you just want to go under this ladder and bring it through. Oops. Okay. So go under the next ladder, bring it through the loop. Next. Okay, so you want to put this loop on back onto this needle. There we go, and make sure the loop goes down in front of these red teeth. Like these red teeth, you want to go in front of the red teeth. And then crank. Oh, see, it may ride up, so you just want to keep on pushing that down. And then this is the next one I'm going to do. So just watch it. Coming up. Okay. And then just, you don't want that needle to come up too high, so then I will back it off one more time. Just a little bit. Just enough so you can get that off. There we go. All right, and then you just repeat, and that's how you do ribbing. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.